Did you know that making the right money moves before your first job can set you up for financial success for years to come? Starting your first job is exciting, but it also comes with new responsibilities, especially when it comes to managing your money. So, how do you make sure you're not making common money mistakes that could set you back financially? In this video, we'll cover 5 essential money moves you must make before starting your first job to set yourself up for long-term financial success. Let's dive in. 1. Set up a direct deposit. The very first thing you need to do is set up a direct deposit for your paycheck. Not only is it faster and more secure than waiting for a paper check, but it also saves you time and effort. Setting up direct deposit ensures that your paycheck is automatically transferred to your bank account, allowing you to access your money right away. Before you start your job, take the time to research and open a checking account that fits your needs. Consider factors like fees, interest rates, and ATM access. Your employer will ask for your bank account and routing number, which will allow them to deposit your paycheck directly. Once you've set it up, you'll never have to worry about waiting in line to deposit a check again. Plus, this process helps you avoid any unnecessary delays or mistakes with your payments. By setting up direct deposit, you're not only getting paid faster, but you're also ensuring your finances are streamlined and easy to manage. You'll be able to focus on what matters most, your new job, without worrying about how and when your paycheck will arrive. This simple step can also help you build a strong, reliable financial foundation for your future by making money management easier and more efficient. 2. Create a budget. Next, let's talk about budgeting. Whether you're getting your first paycheck or managing student loans, creating a budget is essential. The first step is to track your income and expenses. Write down all the sources of income you expect to receive. Then list your necessary expenses like rent, utilities, transportation, and food. The 50/30/20 rule is a great starting point for beginners. 50% of your income goes toward needs, like rent and bills, 30% towards wants, like entertainment or dining out, and 20% goes into savings or debt repayment. Once you've broken down your expenses, you can make more informed decisions about where to cut back or how to prioritize your spending. Having a budget gives you control over your money and prevents overspending. It's a great tool to help you build good financial habits and reduce stress. As your income grows or your financial situation changes, you can adjust your budget to meet new goals or cover additional expenses. And remember, budgeting is a dynamic process. It's not something you do once and forget about. Reviewing and adjusting your budget regularly will help you stay on top of your financial goals. Creating a budget also helps you avoid debt and unnecessary financial anxiety. Knowing exactly where your money is going each month means you can make better choices with your spending. Whether you're saving for a big purchase, paying down debt, or building an emergency fund, a budget makes those goals more achievable. 3. Enroll in employer retirement plans. Another key move is enrolling in your employer's retirement plan. Many employers offer 401k plans or similar options that allow you to save for retirement directly from your paycheck. The best part? Many companies offer matching contributions, meaning they'll match a percentage of your own contributions, essentially giving you free money. Even if retirement feels far off, the sooner you start, the better. Contributions to your 401k are tax-deductible, which reduces your taxable income and can save you money come tax time. Plus, the earlier you start, the more your money benefits from compound interest. That means your contributions today can grow exponentially over time, which can make a significant difference when you're ready to retire. If your company offers a match, make sure to contribute at least enough to get the full match. It's essentially free money that you don't want to miss out on. Don't wait until later to start saving for retirement. Establishing this habit early will make it easier to achieve financial independence in the future. The beauty of starting early with retirement savings is that you get to take advantage of long-term compounding. Each year, your contributions will earn more, and before you know it, your retirement fund will be growing by leaps and bounds. Even if you can't contribute a lot at first, the important part is developing the habit and gradually increasing your contributions as you earn more. 4. Start an emergency fund. Starting an emergency fund is one of the smartest moves you can make before you even get your first paycheck. Life is unpredictable, and having a financial cushion will protect you from unexpected expenses like car repairs, medical bills, or even job loss. Ideally, your emergency fund should cover 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. It's okay to start small. Aim to save $500 or $1,000 at first. Once you've built this initial cushion, you can continue adding to it until it's enough to cover your basic living expenses for several months. One of the easiest ways to do this is by setting up automatic transfers from your checking account to a separate savings account. This ensures that you're consistently adding to your emergency fund without having to think about it. Having an emergency fund not only provides peace of mind, but it also prevents you from relying on credit cards or loans when unexpected expenses pop up. Knowing you have that safety net allows you to handle life's surprises without going into debt, keeping you on track to achieve your long-term financial goals. A well-funded emergency fund is also a powerful tool for protecting your financial health. When life throws unexpected expenses your way, you'll be able to cover them without disrupting your regular budget. And with a dedicated savings account, you can avoid the temptation of dipping into your emergency fund for non-emergencies. 5. Build your credit. Building good credit is one of the most important financial moves you can make, especially before you start your first job. Your credit score affects everything from getting approved for loans and credit cards to renting an apartment or even securing a job in some cases. The sooner you start building good credit, the easier it will be to access financial products when you need them. Start by applying for a credit card and using it responsibly. Make sure to pay your bills on time and keep your credit utilization, the amount of credit you use compared to your credit limit, below 30%. Timely payments show lenders that you are reliable, which will help boost your credit score over time. If you're just starting out, consider applying for a secured credit card or becoming an authorized user on a family member's card to help build your credit history. Building credit isn't a race. It takes time, but it pays off in the long run. The better your credit score, the better your chances of securing favorable interest rates on loans, qualifying for credit cards with better rewards, and even landing a job. Starting early gives you a solid foundation to manage your finances and achieve bigger goals, like buying a car or home with better terms. Good credit also opens up opportunities for you to receive better financial deals, from lower insurance premiums to larger loans with lower interest rates. The more you focus on building your credit from the start, the easier it will be to access larger financial goals when the time comes. So, what money moves will you make before starting your first job? By following these 5 simple steps: setting up direct deposit, creating a budget, enrolling in retirement plans, starting an emergency fund, and building your credit, you're setting yourself up for long-term financial success. These money habits will help you build a solid foundation that will carry you through your career and beyond. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend who could benefit from these tips, and subscribe for more content on how to manage your money smartly. Remember, the best time to start building your financial future is now.